Hello friends. So in this lecture we are going to study percentage concentration. So first of all we will know what is concentration. So concentration is the term which is used to express the amount of solute present per unit volume of the solution or per unit volume of the solvent. So here we are dealing with percentage concentration. Means what percentage of solute is present in 100 gram of the solvent, means how many parts of the solute are present in 100 parts of the solution. So first term we deal with in percentage concentration is percentage by weight. So first we will deal with percentage by weight. So percentage by weight is defined as number of grams of solute per 100 gram of the solution. So it is number of grams of solute per 100 gram of the solution. So let us say there are 25 grams of H2SO4 in 500 ml of the solution. So 25 grams of H2SO4 is present in 500 grams of aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means solution of water. Solution. So now we have to find how many grams of H2SO4 are present in 100 grams of the solution. So 25 grams of H2SO4 is present in 500 grams. So 500 grams contain 25 grams of the solute. Solute is H2SO4 and solvent is water. So 500 grams of the solution contains 25 grams of H2SO4. So we have to find how many grams of H2SO4 will be present in 100 grams of the solution. So 500 grams of solution contains 25 grams. So 500 grams of solution contains 25 grams of H2SO4. So 1 gram of solution contains 25 by 500 grams of H2SO4. So 100 grams will contain, therefore 100 grams of solution contains 25 by 500 into 100. So 5 grams of H2SO4. So percentage by weight concentration of H2SO4 is 5%. So percentage by weight concentration of H2SO4 here is 5% because 5 grams of H2SO4 are present in 100 grams of the solution. The second term we are going to learn is percentage by volume. So second is percentage by volume. Percentage by volume. So here percentage by volume is the volume of solute volume of solute present in 100 ml of the solution, present in 100 ml of the solution, or we can say volume of solute present per 100 ml of the solution. Again here, if we take an example, let us say like 25 ml of H2SO4 is present in 500 ml of the solution. So percentage by volume concentration of H2SO4 will be again 5%. So like if 25 ml of H2SO4 is present in 500 ml of aqueous solution. So like previous case, the percentage by weight concentration of H2SO4 will be 5%. So percentage by weight concentration of H2SO4 will be 5%. The third term we deal with is percentage weight by volume. Percentage weight by volume. So percentage weight by volume is defined as the mass of solute present in 100 ml of the solution. 100 ml of solution. For example, if we say 10 grams of NaCl are dissolved in 200 ml. So if we say 10 grams of NaCl is dissolved in 200 ml of water. So 10 grams of NaCl, if it is dissolved in 200 grams of water, so the volume of solution will remain as same as volume of water. So amount of solvent present in 200 ml of water is 10 grams. So amount of solvent present in 100 grams of solution will be 5 grams. So again, percentage weight by volume of the solution will be 5%. So we can write here also percentage weight by volume concentration of NaCl, here will the volume of solvent will be equal to the volume of solution. Percentage weight by volume concentration of NaCl will be again 5% here. Now the fourth term we come across is percentage volume by weight. So fourth term will be percentage volume by weight. So it is defined as volume of solute present in 100 grams of solution. So volume of solute present in 100 grams of solution. So let us say again 25 grams of H2SO4 is present in 500 grams of the 25 ml of H2SO4. Example, 25 ml of H2SO4 is present in 500 grams of aqueous solution. 500 grams of aqueous solution. So percentage volume by weight concentration of H2SO4 here again will be 5%. So percentage volume by weight concentration of H2SO4 will be again 5% here, 5% in this solution. So these are various concepts of percentage concentration that we come across in chemistry. So that we have studied. This is a very simple concept and very important concept which is useful. So that's all for percentage concentration. Thank you.